That I'm going to be replacing spark plugs on this 2005 Honda Odyssey. I bought the laser iridium premium NGK spark plugs. It came pre-gap already, and all you need is a stubby ratchet, 3/8 ratchet, extension, and a spark plug socket. This happens to be a 5/8. Make sure you get a magnetic one or one with a rubber. And I'm replacing the. I'm going to show you to replace the rear ones. Very simple. You just take out the cover, 2 screws to hole in it on top. Just take it out. As you see behind here, this is one of the coil packs here. As you can see, I took out the coil pack. That's the spark plug hole right here. Just take the spark plug coil pack out. One screw hole in it. Allen key. It's easy to access. That's it right there. You just drop your socket in with your extension gently. Right there. Right there. That's it right here. It don't look too bad. Okay, let me show you how to do the front ones. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do the front ones. Just snap this out, press this, pull it back. Just take this screw out. Remove this gently. And get your extension. Just put it down in here gently. That's it right there. And you want to put them back. You can put some anti-seize on here, copper anti-seize, not too much, and you don't want to over tighten this as long when it bottoms out. There's a crush washer here. Just give it like a half a turn to a quarter of a turn, make it nice and snug, and then you put it back. That's how you do your spark plugs. It's very easy to change. If you want, you can check the gap on them. They come pre-gap, and you want to do this when the vehicle is cold. You don't want to do this when the vehicle is hot. You can strip the threads on the head. You can start it off and let it run for a minute to warm it up a little bit, not too much. Alright, that's how you change your spark plugs on your Honda Odyssey. Thanks for watching. Click like, feel free to subscribe, leave any comment or questions.